Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Goldengully ramen. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of instant ramen, 2 cloves of minced garlic, a 1-inch piece of grated ginger, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. For protein, prepare 1 soft-boiled egg or 50 grams of thinly sliced chicken. These simple additions elevate your ramen experience significantly. Let's get cooking. Bring 2 cups of water to a rolling boil in a small saucepan. Add your minced garlic and grated ginger, allowing them to simmer for about 1 minute to release their fragrant oils. Next, carefully add your instant ramen noodles and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes until tender. Finally, stir in the ramen seasoning packet, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now for the exciting part, assembly. Carefully transfer your hot ramen and flavorful broth into a deep serving bowl. Gently place your prepared protein, such as a perfectly soft-boiled egg or 50 grams of cooked chicken, on top of the noodles. For a fresh burst of flavor and color, sprinkle generously with chopped green onions. If you enjoy a little heat, a small drizzle of chili oil will add a wonderful spicy kick. To truly elevate your Goldengully ramen, consider these tips. Try adding a handful of fresh spinach or sliced mushrooms during the last minute of cooking for extra nutrients. A dash of rice vinegar, about 1/2 teaspoon, can brighten the broth with a subtle tang. For more umami, stir in a small spoonful of miso paste. Remember to serve your delicious ramen immediately to savor its warmth and perfect texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.